The following video should be used in conjunction with the instructions for use packaged with every Posey product and your facility's policies and procedures. The Posey restraint belts are used to help prevent patients from unassisted bed and wheelchair exits and positioning. They're indicated for patients assessed to be at risk of injury from a fall or those requiring a positioning device to assist medical treatment. It's important to note that this Posey product is a prescription device, RX only. To begin, squeeze the quick-release buckles to remove the short ends of each connecting strap. Wrap each end around a movable part of the bed frame at waist level out of the patient's reach. Secure it by feeding the female end of the buckle through the loop in the strap. Next, wrap the belt around the patient's waist with the belt slot centered in the front and the label to the outside. Bring the long strap over, around the patient's waist, and in front of the patient through the slot in the front pad. Position the patient in the bed. Now, insert the male end of the connecting strap into the female end of the short strap. Pull on the top strap to adjust the slack and move the slide buckle down to the quick-release buckle. Tack any excess strap out of the patient's reach. After securing both sides to the bed frame, slide an open hand, flat, between the device and the patient to ensure proper fit. The belt must be snug but not interfere with breathing. Check that the straps are secure and will not change position, loosen or tighten if the patient pulls on them or if the bed is adjusted. After the belt application, the patient will be able to sit up but not roll side to side. Posey recommends that full HBSW compliant side rails in the up position be used when a patient is restrained and unattended. Use side rail covers and gap protectors to help prevent the patient's body from going under, around, through, or between the side rails. The preceding video demonstrates the proper application of Posey products only. Prior to application, consult your facility's policies and procedures regarding the appropriate use of this product. The video should be used concurrently with the Posey application instructions, which include indications, contraindications, warnings, and more detailed product application information. Product application and instructions for use are included with each Posey product. You may contact the Posey Company to request the product application instructions or download a copy at www.posey.com. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-44-POSEY.